Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to use Google Authenticator app for Roblox. In order to use the Google Authenticator app, you have to follow these steps. First of all, go and log in into your Roblox account. When you're logged in, go to the More tab and it's going to take you this field. Go to Settings. As you are on the Settings page, you could go to the Security. And when you are on the Security page, you can see this sort of. So go ahead and press on Security. As you press on Security, you should be able to see this sort of interface. Here you can see two-step verification. You could go ahead and toggle the button next to Authenticator app. Now to verify it, you have to go ahead and enter the verification code. So type in the password that is according. Install the Google Authenticator app on your device. Just follow the prompt and you'll have successfully used Google Authenticator app for Roblox. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.